As always, guys, if you have health issues, please don't take any of these herbal teas before talking to your doctor. We're gonna use lavender flowers today. I got these on Amazon, and they smell like fabulous, but they're also very, very good for you, and they will relax you incredibly. There's a reason why lavender essential oils and things are used for, that kind of stuff. By the way, if you have lavender flowers in your garden, you can go ahead and just use the flowers. Not a problem. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of lavender flowers. We're also gonna use chamomile flowers. You can use tea bags if you want. I also got this on Amazon, of course. I'll put both links at the bottom for you guys if you're interested in getting it through me. But again, you can use the tea bags if you prefer. Chamomile is a natural soother. It will relax you. It'll help with digestion. It is very good. As always, I will list all the benefits for these two herbs right here. So you combine these two and you have a very powerful, relaxing tea. This will help you sleep. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water. Obviously boiling water, and we're gonna let that steep for about 5 minutes. It smells beautiful. All right, let's check this out. So now we've strained it. Obviously, you're gonna drink this before bedtime because it'll put you, well, it won't put you to sleep, but it will help you sleep. So a nice, natural, soothing tea to help you sleep. Oh, and it's fragrant. Ah, yes, it is very delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.